Hi, welcome to my mini series in English. I'm out here taking a stroll, and everything around me is simply beautiful. So I just stopped. I thought I would talk to you all and share this with you. It's nature, and I love nature when it is benign. And here it's quiet, and you have the birds if you can hear them in the background, and here you have nature at its raw but at its best. Not trimmed hedges, not trimmed trees, but nature with its flowers, with its tall grass, with all its weeds, the birds in the air. Can you hear them? And look at the skies. Grayish blue, but very nice. And look at those trees and the sky further out. And I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful that I'm here. I'm able to enjoy this. Look at the little butterfly. Haha. Look, 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 look. Ah, there it comes. How nice. That's beautiful. That's nice. There she goes. Ah. So anyway, I'm so grateful to God. I'm alive. I can see, I can feel, I can sense, I can hear the birds. I hope you enjoy nature wherever you are. Be happy and be blessed. Bye. Bye for now.